Welcome to this 4-bedroom townhouse for sale in Constantia Kloof, Rue de Pout, Gauteng, South Africa for R2,580,000. Modern 3-level lavish 4-bedroom townhouse on the Constantia Kloof Strubens Ridge with captivating panoramic views. Roof terrace and balcony at main bedroom. 2 remote-controlled garages, 2 bathrooms, main ensuite and a guest toilet. Contemporary kitchen with granite tops and scullery with space for 3 appliances. Spacious open-plan kitchen, dining and lounge. Sliding doors lead to large patio with built-in braai. Private backyard garden. Communal pool and entertainment area, including 24-hour high-level security on premises with surround electric fence. 4th bedroom may be converted to study or TV room. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.